How to record a video on Instagram. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to record a video directly on Instagram, whether it's for a post, story or reel. Let's get started. Open Instagram and from your home screen tap the plus button at the bottom center. Right here, tap on it. Now select whether you want to create a post, story or you want to create a reel. Let's say you want to create a reel. Tap on reel, tap on here. Now tap and hold the capture button to start recording like this. Now want to stop, just lift your finger. For reels, you can record in segments by tapping again. Tap it again. And that's it. You just recorded a video on Instagram. You can also set a timer from here. Let's say for 5 seconds. Now set timer and tap on it, and after 5 seconds your video will be recorded again. Just like this. Pause it again by tapping here. Now when you are done, you can tap on next. This. After tapping on next, you can add effects from here on your video. Now once you're done and you edited your video, tap on next. Now you can add your captions, tags or stickers, then tap share. And that's it. Recording on Instagram is fast, fun and full of features. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and tap the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.